Hello and welcome to this tutorial on PivotCharts in Microsoft Excel. Today I will be showing you how to create and customize PivotCharts to analyze your data efficiently. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what PivotCharts are. PivotCharts are graphical representations of data in a pivot table. They allow you to visualize your data, making it easier to identify trends, patterns, and insights. You can create pivot charts from existing pivot tables or directly from your raw data. Before creating a pivot chart, ensure your data is well organized. Each column should have a header and there should be no blank rows or columns. For this tutorial, I am using a dataset that includes sales information such as product, region, salesperson, and amount. To create a pivot chart, we first need a pivot table. For detailed tutorial for pivot table, please check out my previous video on pivot table in MS Excel. Now back to the example. Select your data range, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click Pivot Table. Choose where you want to pivot table to be placed, either in a new worksheet or an existing one. Here I select New Worksheet because we need space for the pivot table and charts also. Click OK. Now you will see a blank pivot table and the pivot table fields pane on the right. Drag and drop fields into the respective areas. For example, drag region to the row area, product to the column area, and amount to the values area. This setup will display the total sales amount for each product in each region. Adjust these fields based on what you want to analyze. With your pivot table ready, let's create a pivot chart. Click anywhere with the pivot table. Select Pivot Chart. You will see several chart options such as column, line, pie, and more. Choose the chart type that best suits your data analyze needs. For this example, I will choose a column chart. Click OK. Now that we have our pivot chart, let's customize it. You can change the chart type. Select the chart and go to Change Chart Type. And you can choose line chart, pie chart, bar chart, and more. And click OK. You can also apply different chart styles and colors, like this. One of the powerful features of pivot charts is the ability to filter data directly from the chart. Use the filter buttons on the pivot chart to include or exclude data points. For example, you can filter to show cells for specific regions or products. This dynamic interaction makes pivot charts very versatile for data analysis. Finally, make any last adjustment to your pivot chart. Ensure all labels are clear and your chart is easy to understand. Remember, the goal is to convey your data insights effectively. That's it for this tutorial on pivot charts in Microsoft Excel. You have learned how to create, customize, and use pivot charts to analyze your data. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Thank you for watching.